If you want to create automations on iPhone 16e, then you need to find the Shortcuts app. By default, we can find it, for example, in the Utilities folder in the home screen, but you can also find it in the app library. Once you are here, we want to switch to automation at the bottom, and then we can press new automation in order to create a new automatic trigger. So for example, we can choose first what is the trigger for that automation. So for example, when let's say we're gonna pick a time of the day. So when there is midnight, we can also choose whether this event should repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. So I'm gonna keep it daily, and we can run immediately or after confirmation. Then we can go next. So this is the if statement, let's say it like that. Then we can choose what should happen when that condition is met. So let's say I'm gonna choose clock. We can set the timer as an example, of course. And there we go. The automation is of course created. We can go back into it in order to make some changes if needed. Of course, instead of the timer, you can pretty much choose anything really. Like you can go to Facebook in order to open something. You can, for example, go to notes in order to create a new note, etc. This is just an example. And once you are done, we can press done if you change something. If you want to add more automations, then we can press this plus button in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.